If I had a nickel for every time my flight got delayed today, I would have 2 nickels. It's not a lot, but it's interesting that it's happened twice. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's almost 12:30, and they said that's when we would depart. We haven't boarded yet. I'm gonna miss my connection to Austin, and then I'm gonna be really upset because I just want to go home. And there it is. I uploaded it to departure at 1:30 in the morning. So now I'm gonna for sure miss my connection, and now I need to talk to them to see what's up. Flight is now leaving at 2 o'clock, and I'm on the phone with United. But it's nice that Apple came out with this hold screening thing on their iOS update, so I don't need to sit on the phone, and it'll notify me whenever. Oh, see, look, they're calling me. Hello? Well, I got that figured out. So now I have a 2.5 hour connection in Houston when I land, and I won't get to Austin till like 11:30. So I think that would make it a. So I left Ho Chi Minh at 12:30 yesterday. Won't get probably into Austin till 11:30 the next day. So if my math is right, that's like a 46-hour travel day? That doesn't sound right. That sounds too long. The international date line is really throwing me off. But regardless, very, very, very long day. Longer than I expected, which sucks. But at the same time, better being safe than sorry. And everything will work out in the end, so there's no need to stress. "36 hours, almost. 48 was crazy by me. United handed us snacks though, so I guess it's okay. And we got a $30 voucher for meals, so I'm gonna use that on my connection. Picked up my bags finally. Think Pops is already here, so I'm gonna meet him out in the front, and then I'm homeward bound. I'm so stoked to take a shower. My hair is so oily, my face is so oily too. 36 hours is a long time.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.